Ada's Adventure Through Time. Ada, a curious girl with a heart full of wanderlust, found a mysterious, shimmering map in her grandmother's attic. It wasn't an ordinary map. It glowed with a soft, golden light and whispered promises of adventure. "This is a map of Türkiye," her grandmother said, her eyes twinkling. "But it shows more than just places. It shows stories." Ada's finger traced a line on the map, and suddenly, the attic walls melted away. She was standing in a vast, ancient city. Stone columns reached for the sky, and the air buzzed with the echoes of chariot wheels. "Welcome to Ephesus," a voice as old as the stones seemed to say. A friendly dolphin, with eyes like polished obsidian, leaped from the turquoise waters. "I am Eunice," he chattered, "and I can show you the sunken city of Kekova." Ada laughed with delight and held onto his fin as they dove into the crystal-clear sea. Beneath the waves, ancient buildings slept, covered in coral and seaweed. Colorful fish darted through doorways and windows, and a majestic sea turtle glided by, nodding a slow hello. "This city was once full of life," Eunice explained, his voice bubbling around them. The map shimmered again, and Ada found herself in a land of fairy chimneys and whimsical rock formations. Hot air balloons of every color dotted the sky like giant floating candies. "This is Cappadocia," a wise old owl hooted from a nearby cave. The owl, whose name was Bilge, offered Ada a ride in his balloon. As they floated higher and higher, the fairy chimneys looked like a magical kingdom spread out below. "The wind and the rain carved these homes," Bilge explained, his feathers ruffling in the breeze. Next, the map whisked Ada away to a place of cascading white terraces filled with warm, milky blue water. "This is Pamukkale, the cotton castle," a gentle voice whispered on the wind. People were bathing in the pools, their laughter echoing in the air. A friendly goat with a long white beard trotted over. "My name is Kisi," he bleated. "These waters are said to have healing powers." Ada splashed in the warm water, feeling refreshed and full of energy. The final glow of the map brought Ada to a bustling city where the east met the west. The grand Hagia Sophia stood before her, its magnificent dome reaching for the heavens. The air was filled with the scent of spices and the sound of seagulls. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the city, Ada found herself back in her grandmother's attic. The map lay softly glowing in her lap. She knew that her adventure was over for now, but the stories and the magic of Türkiye would stay in her heart forever.